In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get free stuff on Temu without inviting anyone. Now, this process is not only straightforward, but can be a fun little hack for those who love finding deals and discounts. Let's dive right into the steps you need to follow. To start, open up your Temu app. If you haven't already downloaded it, you'll find it available in your smartphone's app store. Once you've opened the app, you're greeted with a variety of shopping options. What we want is located in the special offers section where you'll find great deals without needing to invite others to join the app. Next, look for the Lightning Deals section within the app. The Lightning Deals are a special feature on Temu where products are significantly discounted for a limited time. By selecting this option, you're given access to a myriad of products with fantastic discounts. So go ahead and click on Lightning Deals to see what's available. Now, within the Lightning Deals, you want to focus on the option marked as last day for 72.6% off. This is where you'll find the best deals that Temu has to offer, often with the steepest discounts. By clicking on this, you'll be directed to a selection of items that are marked down significantly, giving you the opportunity to snag some great products at unbeatable prices. Once you've found an item you like, it's time to maximize those savings even further by using a coupon code. If you have a coupon code, now is the time to use it. Simply add the item to your cart, proceed to checkout, and find the section where you can input your coupon code. This section is essential if you're looking to get your total cost down to zero or as close to it as possible. After inputting your coupon code, the final step is to click on Apply. This action will allow the discount from your coupon to be deducted from your purchase total. You'll instantly see the price drop, sometimes even down to free, depending on the coupon's value. It's a highly satisfying moment watching those savings tick down. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy some fantastic free items on Temu without having to invite friends or referrals. Always keep an eye on the app for new coupon codes and changing deals in the Lightning Deals section. With a bit of patience and attention to the offers available, you can enjoy some incredible savings. Now that you've got the tools and knowledge, go ahead and start shopping smartly on Temu. Happy shopping!